Hey my friends, welcome to Joystick. In this video, I will show you how to install Sketchpy library in Pycharm. So once you are in your Pycharm project, all you need to do is to go to the menu, click on Pycharm and click on settings. Or you can simply type command comma to access the settings. On the left, you need to make sure that Python interpreter is selected under your project, and then you can select any interpreter you want. I have two interpreters over here, but I'm going to go with the default one. Beneath the interpreter in this box appear the packages that are already installed for this interpreter, and you can see Sketchpy is not there. So let's install it. To do that, we need to click on this plus icon, and then a new window will appear of available packages. In the search bar, we need to type Sketchpy. Alright, it appears, it's already selected, so all we need to do is to click on install package button, and there you go, the installation has begun, and you can see that it has been completed. It says that it has installed Sketchpy successfully. So what I'm going to do now is close this window. You can see that Sketchpy now appears over here, along with some supporting libraries. So let's close this window, click on OK. Alright, now let's test the installation of Sketchpy library in Pycharm. So now let's test it in a fun way. We are going to write a program using Sketchpy library that is going to draw the face of a very famous person who recently won Oscar. So let's do that. So let's first import library from Sketchpy. To do that, we'll write from Sketchpy import library as lib. Now we are going to create an object of this famous personality. So let's name it obj. After the equals to sign, we will write lib.rdj brackets. And then we'll simply call draw function using this object. So it will be obj.draw. Alright, let's run this program and test the output. Okay, it's drawing the sketch of the personality. And it is Robert Downey Jr. So this proves that Sketchpy got successfully installed in Pycharm. Another way to install the Sketchpy library is by clicking on this terminal and typing the command pip install Sketchpy over here. We hit enter. Alright, since I had installed it earlier, therefore these messages requirement already satisfied. Had I not installed it earlier, then it would have got installed right now using pip. So these are the two ways using which you can install Sketchpy library in Pycharm. I hope you enjoyed learning how to install Sketchpy library in Pycharm from this video of Joystick. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye and take very good care of yourself.